Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack, and today I will be showing you how to type in bold on Discord. So guys, first things first is of course open up the Discord into your browser by going to the discord.com, and now of course if you haven't logged in, just simply log in into your account. Just simply open your Discord in your browser. But of course, if you have the Discord application into your computer, just simply open the Discord app. It will be just the same process. Now, just simply go ahead and go to one of your messages that you want to send the bold text to. For example, I'm going to go for my group chat over here, Delve Stack. And now from here, guys, what you could try to do in order for you to provide a bold text, you just simply tap on your keyboard the asterisk. So go for the double asterisk, and now just simply provide a space and just simply provide your text over here. And to apply the changes, you have to end the text with a double asterisk as well. As you can see, right away, it automatically make my text bold. And as you can see, my text is now bold. And when I go for a regular text, it will look something like this. And you could just see the difference. And now if you want to go for italic bold, you would just simply go for a triple asterisk. And after that, just simply, of course, provide your word over here or your sentence. And as you can see, it is now bold, but it is on italic. So pretty much double asterisk will do the trick in order for you to proceed with this process. And pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.